Hello students, in this video we will be solving questions from the topic circles. I think there are close to 9 questions. Please watch the video till the end. You will be learning many things. So the first question says, if P is a point on the circle x square plus y square equals to 4, Q is a point on the straight line, right, and x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Okay, fine. Then 13 times the sum of abscissa of all such points P. So dear students, whenever we read a very lengthy question, it is important to note down the important things which are asked in the question. So first thing is, he is asking us to find the sum of abscissa of all such points of P alone, not P and Q, right? Anyways, so if they say if P is any point on the circle, in general we will be taking parametric coordinates. And what for x square plus y square equals to r square, the parametric coordinates are r cos theta comma r sin theta. That's fine. That means what is r equal to here? R is 2. So the coordinates of P will be 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. And now he is telling again Q is a point on the straight line. Again he is talking about arbitrary or parametric coordinates. So here whenever we have a straight line, the parametric coordinates can be written in terms of theta as well as in terms of a single variable. When we write it in terms of theta, there are two variables. One is r, distance, and one is theta. And when we write it in terms of a single variable, we can write it as let x equals to t. Then what do we get? 5x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Replace x with t, we get 5t plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Now y is equals to minus 5t minus 2. Now let q be t comma minus 5t minus 2. Dear students, you can try for different values of t. This point will definitely satisfy this equation. You can verify it yourself. Now we have P and Q, and he is telling that this line x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Acha, let us see that also. Now let us say this is P, this is Q. Now perpendicular bisector of PQ will be perpendicular to PQ as well as it will pass through midpoint. So we have two unknowns, theta as well as t, and we have two equations. So two unknowns and two equations, logically it can be solved. So this question can be solved. Acha, we need sum of abscissa of all such points P, right? That means we need the value of theta alone. So t is not required. That means we have to eliminate t. That is also fine. So fine. Firstly, we will find m. M is the midpoint of PQ. That should be 2 cos theta x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus t divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Right? So m should lie on this straight line x minus y plus 1, because that is the equation of the straight line. So m should lie on this straight line. That means replace x with this part 2 cos theta plus t divided by 2 minus 2 sin theta minus 5t minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So if I simplify this, what do I get? 2 by 2 is cos 1 plus t by 2 minus sin theta plus 5t by 2 and plus 1 I believe, right? So what do we get? Ultimately we get cos theta minus sin theta. Now t by 2 plus 5t by 2 is 3t plus 2 equals to 0. We have to eliminate t, right? So this is equation 1. Now what is the other condition? These two lines are perpendicular. PQ is perpendicular to that line. That means m1 into m2 should be equals to minus 1. Product of their slope should be equals to minus 1. So what is the slope of this particular line? X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So m1 is slope of x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So what will m1 be? What will m1 be? It will be coefficient of negative of the coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So it should be 1. That means m2 should be minus 1 divided by 1, which is minus 1. So how do we find the slope of PQ? So slope of PQ is also, m2 is nothing but slope of PQ. So slope m2 should also be, can also be written in this way. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now this is Q and this is P, right? Yeah. So I can take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So I get y2 minus y1 as minus 5t minus 2 sin theta. I can write it as minus 5t minus 2 sin theta divided by t minus 2 cos theta. T minus 2 cos theta. This should be equals to minus 1. Now cross multiply, we get minus 5t minus 2 sin theta is equals to minus t plus 2 cos theta. So I just want the value of t. So bring minus t to the left hand side and bring all the other terms to the right hand side, I get 2 times cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, we'll do one thing. We have minus 5t here. We will bring minus 5t to the right hand side and then all the other terms to the left hand side. So we get minus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is equals to 4t. So t should be minus 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta divided by 2. So now we will substitute the value of t in equation 1. What is equation 1? Where is equation 1? Equation 1 is here. So cos theta minus sin theta plus 3t plus 2. So we have cos theta minus sin theta, I think plus 3t plus 3 into minus 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta divided by 2 plus 2, right, equals to 0. So what do we get if I take LCM? So 2 cos theta minus 3 cos theta is minus cos theta, minus 2 sin theta minus 3 sin theta is minus 5 sin theta, and we have minus 3, and if I take LCM I get plus 4 here divided by 2 should be equals to 0. So ultimately I get 1 minus cos theta minus 5 sin theta is equals to 0, right? So we can do one thing. I can write it in this way. 1 minus cos theta is equals to 5 sin theta. See, ultimately I need the abscissa, sum of all abscissa. That means I need the value of cos theta. Okay, I need the value of cos theta. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We will now square on both sides. We get 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta is equals to 25 sin square theta. Now this can be written as 25 into 1 minus cos square theta. Ultimately I have 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta is equals to 25 minus 25 cos square theta. So if I further simplify, I get 26 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 24 is equals to 0. If I take 2 common, I get 13 cos square theta minus cos theta minus I guess 12, right? Think I am right? 13. Yeah. So now I think we can write this as 13 cos square theta minus 13 cos theta plus 12 cos theta minus 12 equals to 0. So we can take 13 cos theta common and cos theta minus 1 plus 12 into cos theta minus 1. So cos theta minus 1, if I take common, I get 13 cos theta plus 12. So therefore we get cos theta is equals to 1 or cos theta is equals to minus 12 by 13, both of which are accepted. So cos theta 1, let us say it is 1, and cos theta 2, let us say it is minus 12 by 13. He is asking us to find the sum of abscissa of such points P. That means required answer should be 2 times cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. Acha, it should be 13 times of this, right? 13 times of this. So I guess 13 times of it. Yeah. So I guess we get 2 into 1 minus 12 by 13, which is 13 into 2 into 13 minus 12 is 1 divided by 13. So we get 2 as the answer. Yeah, if our calculation is correct, then this should be the answer. Now let us go to the next question, dear students. So the next question says, let the circle x square plus y square equals to 4 intersect x-axis at the points A and B. Acha, A is greater than 0. Let P, okay, alpha is in the first quadrant, and Q be 2 points such that alpha minus beta is equals to pi by 2. Then the point of intersection of AQ and PP. Oh, of course, I think this will also be a lengthy question. Okay, so let us go step by step. I think he's asking us to find the point of intersection of AQ and BP. So let us write A. Now what will A be? Where will this circle intersect the x-axis? Replace y with 0. We get x square equals to 4. X is equals to plus or minus 2. Since A is greater than 0, we can write A as 2, 0 and B will be minus 2, 0. Now P is already given, that is 2 cos alpha, 2 sin alpha, and Q is already given, that is 2 cos beta, 2 sin beta. Right, so what is, he has given this condition also, alpha minus beta is equals to pi by 2. Then the point of intersection of AQ and BP. Okay, so let us find the equation of AQ. That should be y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1. So 2 sin beta minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. So we can write 2 times of cos beta minus 1 into x minus x1. So we can cancel these two. So here what do we get? Y is equals to sin beta, we can write it as 2 sin beta by 2 cos beta by 2, and cos beta minus 1 we can write it as minus 2 times sin square beta by 2. I hope you are aware of this formula, basic trigonometric formula, half angle formula. So we have y is equals to minus tan beta by 2. Y is equals to minus cot beta by 2 into x minus 2. Okay, fine. Now we will also find the equation of BP. So equation of BP, we'll use a different thing. Equation of BP, so these two. So again y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1, 2 sin alpha minus 0 divided by now x2 minus x1. So you'll get 2 times cos alpha plus 1 into x minus x1. So here I should be getting x plus 2. So we have ultimately, now if you have understood, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we get 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 divided by 2 cos square alpha by 2 into x plus 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So ultimately we get y is equals to tan alpha by 2 into x plus 2. Now, okay, let us see what can be done. We need the point of intersection. One way is we have to eliminate alpha and beta. For that we have this relation. Now, or since I can generate tan alpha by 2 and tan beta by 2 from here, why don't I do it in this way? Alpha minus beta is equals to pi by 2, right? That means why don't I do it in this way? Alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 is equals to pi by 4. Let us apply tan on both sides. We get tan of alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 is equals to tan pi by 4. And that means which is tan alpha by 2 minus tan beta by 2 by 1 plus tan alpha by 2 tan beta by 2. And what is tan alpha by 2? Acha, from here I think tan alpha by 2 from here should be y by x plus 2. And here if I write this as y is equals to minus of x minus 2 divided by tan beta by 2. So tan beta by 2 should be 2 minus x by y, right? This will also be useful. So tan alpha by 2 is known, tan beta by 2 is known. Tan alpha by 2 is y by x plus 2. Let me write down y by x minus 2. X plus 2 minus tan beta by 2 is 2 minus x by y by 1 plus. Now cross multiply and simplify, I think we will get the answer. So we get y square minus 2 minus x into 2 plus x divided by y into x plus 2. That should be equals to y into x plus 2. I am cross multiplying y into 2 minus x divided by y into x plus 2. Now this and this gets cancelled since y is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to minus 2. So we get y square minus 4 minus x square is equals to xy plus 2y minus xy. So this and this also gets cancelled. Ultimately we get x square plus y square minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. So this should be the equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the answer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one.